Hey, today I'm making a simple but very useful addition to my 390 adventure, adding a power cable. I'm doing it mostly so that I could use my heated gear, but it's also useful for many other things. All I need for this job are the actual cable, a 10mm wrench, a flashlight, a zip ties. Since I'll be touching battery terminals, I'm wearing rubberized gloves for safety. Start by unlocking and removing both parts of the seat. By the way, if you just got your bike and never looked under the seat, here is where the factory toolkit is. I used the first, longer zip tie to help me route the cable. Attach it to the external connector side. You can use the zip tie in the non-locking orientation since you'll need to remove it later. Route the cable, zip tie first, from the left corner of the battery toward the front of the bike, like I do here. Using a zip tie as a lead makes this step much easier. Remove the bolt on the neutral end of the battery. And add the neutral end of the new cable and screw the bolt back on. Then do the same on the positive end of the battery. You noticed that I'm intentionally keeping the terminal in contact with the battery while the bolts are off. This way, I don't need to restore my settings in the bike's computer. Attach the external connector to the bike frame with another, smaller zip tie, or you can reuse the same one you just used as the lead. Confirm that you have power. Here, I simply connected a phone charger for that. Now the seat goes back on and you're all done. If you like this video and would like to see my future 390 adventure videos, please subscribe below.